Golden family, and welcome back to my channel, back with another video for you guys. And as you can tell by today's title, today is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to vlog. I haven't done a vlog, I believe, since 2016ish. So yeah, I just decided to do a little bit of go through my regular day with me, go through life with me. So as you can see, I'm filming this after. This is Thursday of the following week, and I'm just chilling right now before work, and I just thought I'd do a little short intro for you guys. But yeah, so enjoy the video. But oh yeah, this is how they turned out. They got it fixed. It'll make sense once you watch the vlog, but they fixed it. Yeah, you feel me? Can't get the little on them real quick. But yeah, guys, watch till the end of the video and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Other than that, peace. What's up, Golden fam? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video in a different style. So I'm low-key vlogging today. Oh, disregard that. I'm vlogging today or whatever, and I just wanted you to see this sweater that I thrifted like a week back. So yeah, I'm about to go do some grocery shopping, and after that, I'm gonna try this new place around town called the Burger Den. The Burger Den. I was getting realized it was holding this upside down or not. It's called the Burger Den or whatever. And I'm about to get this because today's my cheat day. It's what's it called? A Beyond Burger. I've never had one, so we're gonna see if the hype is real or not. But I'll be back, guys. Before I go, I have to let y'all know we environmentally friendly over here, Doug. What? You still using plastic bags in 2020? We're not here for that. Okay, so I officially made it to the store. It's ridiculous how much temptation it is in here. Like, it's just not okay. But we staying strong. And this is just for like a whole week's worth, so, getting a good amount of stuff in, so I have to keep going back. Alright, y'all, I'm about to see what the hype is about. I need to know. I really need to know. We're about to find out. Oh, we were good in here, though. Fries is all clean. The inside look. The fries were bomb. I mean, it looks like a real burger to me. Let's see if it tastes well. I got a double because I wanted to know if maybe I liked it. Okay, so I took the first bite. I gotta take the second one to be sure what I just had. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, it's not like a substitute. Like, it's a substitute for me, but it's not like if you gave it to me, I wouldn't question it. But it's bomb. Like, it's really hitting. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so I'm having it with some sparkling water, yo. I guess it tastes real. This is insane. I would get it again the next day and the next day. So guys, yeah, I just been chilling for the past few hours. It's like 12, 11-ish right now. And I just been chilling, watching YouTube videos. I actually been watching like some performances and stuff like that and looking up some beats. Devoured the burger. It's like a few hours later though. It's like 12, 11-ish right now. And I'm about to just end today here and like go to bed because I have to work tomorrow. Like I stated in previous videos, I work hard. So yeah, I gotta reel it in for the night. Killed that burger though. She was like amazing. I was gonna say, did I say this already? I don't know if I said this already, but this shirt is thrifted, and I'm in love with it. And I feel like more people should go like thrift and stuff like that. I used to when I was little, but it's actually really good for the environment and sustainable living and recycling your items rather than just throwing them away and they end up in a landfill, especially in like the era of fast fashion and that. But I had a random thought. That's why I actually got on here. The random thought. That's more important. I had a random thought. Basically, don't y'all just hate those fake bro taps? Where they feel like they have to just tell everybody how they should be, what they should be doing for the progression of the black community, but then exclude all other sectors of the black community. Like, how y'all gonna exclude women? How y'all gonna exclude? Well, actually, now I don't say exclude women. How about how y'all gonna just, reduce women to like housework and having babies and shit like that? Like, I just don't understand. And then how y'all gonna sit up here and like say that you don't agree with a gay man's lifestyle or homosexuality when like that is a good percentage of our community. We are the community. Like this, the reason we're not progressing is because of people like y'all. Like at the end of the day, it is what it is. We're just gonna call a spade a spade. Y'all holding us back centuries, decades, okay, millenniums. We could have been somewhere had it not been for those people talking about I don't agree with their lifestyle. Like what I eat don't make you shit, so why should you be concerned about what I do? That's what be getting me. Like I'm grown, so what I do should not affect you. And if it does, then you need to look within yourself. See what's going on in your sexuality. Because obviously I got mine together. I know what I'm doing. I'm good. Maybe because you haven't had the chance or the idea to explore your sexuality, that's why you hate on me so much because I live mine fully in the true rawness of its form. I don't know. I just feel like y'all holding us back, man. Worry about something other than that. Worry about why we getting killed in the street rather than what I do with my penis. That I feel like there's more productive things that we could be worried about, honestly. That's just my opinion on it. Hey, whatever, what have you. But yeah, I'm rambling. That was my random thought. Random thought of the day, or you know what grinds my gears was that. So yeah. But other than that, guys, I will see you next week, Golden Fam. I'll be back with a well, it's getting to be spring and summery, so I think we know what's about to happen. Y'all know what's about to happen. Y'all absolutely know what's about to happen. But until then, stay safe, double mask up, and don't get your ass beat in these streets because I do it, man. Mask up, bruh. It's not safe to be out here just dragging like this, man. You gotta get it together, dog. What's up, y'all? So, I'm back. I know I said I was gonna end the vlog on like Friday. Update is Tuesday, but I just felt like the footage was too short and I should have added more. So, currently on the way to get my nails fixed, then I'll be heading to work because I got my nails done yesterday and I have little decals on them. But they're like, some of them are completely submerged in the gel. So I'm kind of like scratching myself with them. So I'm going to get those fixed. I was supposed to get my hair cut this morning, but my barber is booked. I looked on Style Seat and he is booked and busy. So I have to see him tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to add a little bit more in. Oh, by the way, this is my little smoothie that I drink every morning. So in this is kale, peaches, mangoes, strawberries, sea moss, flax, and chia seeds. And then some turmeric and black pepper, for inflammation. So yeah, just kind of, helps me get my day started, a little bit of sustenance. But yeah, I drink this pretty much every morning. So I'm currently on my way there now, and then afterwards, like I said, I'll be on my way to work. But you guys got to see me on my off days. I guess I could take y'all to work with me, but I'm not about to disclose where I work. So as you can see the way I'm filming, I ain't disclosing a lot right now because I would be holding the phone like higher, but nah. Nah, you don't need to see where I live and all that. But other than that, I will catch up with you guys later. I'm actually coming up to the nail salon now, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video, and I'm so sorry for it being so short, but if you want longer videos, just let me know how you guys are feeling about it. If you want more vlogs, let me know down in the comment section, and if you made it this far into the video, go ahead and comment a fire emoji underneath for me. But yeah, and listen, today's Thursday. I know, it took me a little while to edit this video,
because I had to do an outro and an intro, so it didn't happen as fast as my other videos. But every Wednesday is still going to be the day. This is just a, what is it called? A wrench in the works, but it's okay because we're getting back and we moving, and we're back this week. So enjoy the rest of your week, guys. Be safe. Double mask up. You get me, mate? Okay, because I don't have to come see you in the streets, mate. Because I'm telling you, bro, we're still in the panoramic. So to be safe, mate. All right, guys, I'm playing. But see you guys next week. Be safe out here. Peace.